Changing your primary email on PingOne is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Login. Access your PingOne account by entering your current credentials on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to view your current email details. Step 4. Update your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, find the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your primary email address. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and verify the change.